Hello, fellow traders. Happy New Year. And going back to our tradings. So, I made a commitment this year not to trade as often. And so far it proved more successful. Basically, I did take a position here. Thought it's going to keep going up, but got stopped out. Then, you know, we did not elect. See here. So I did make another position here. Closed it around here. Missed this bar, but took the opposite one. And today, probably I'm gonna close that position as well because it looks just like a reaction. And another thing is this bar didn't close below this bar, which was the turning point. So you might see a bounce back to 105 because we did close this one. So we close above this one. So the next one is 105, and for those who want to see more info about the long term, check my Substack or my link in YouTube. All right, happy trading. Remember, do it this for fun. If you want to do it for the money, then get into the trend and just wait, 2 3 years to see positive results. All right, good luck.